Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will give you a tutorial about Excel charts and graphs. First, click and drag your mouse to highlight the entire table, including the header. This is where your data is stored. An even faster way to insert a chart is by pressing the Alt key and F1 key simultaneously after selecting your data. This instantly creates a new chart based on the default type. To change the default chart type, go to the Insert tab located at the top of the Excel window. Here you can select different chart types such as column, 3D, or 2D. Once your chart is inserted, you can adjust its appearance and settings. You can resize and move the charts to fit your needs. To enhance your chart, you can add additional elements like histograms, box plots, or whisker plots. These elements help visualize your data more effectively. You can also add line charts to your existing chart. This includes options for 2D lines and 3D lines, which can represent trends or comparisons within your data. Clicking on the small icon within the chart area reveals a menu with various options. Here you can customize the appearance of your chart further. Within the options menu, you can add lines to your chart and choose different styles for them. Select the style that best suits your presentation or analysis needs. By following these steps, you can create and customize Excel charts and graphs to effectively visualize your data. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.